Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Prius door. Most modern Prius models feature a smart key system. Simply approach your vehicle with the key fob in your pocket or bag. Press the small button on the driver's door handle to unlock it, then pull the handle to open. For other doors, a single press on the fob's unlock button will grant access. What if your key fob isn't working? Don't worry, there's a physical key hidden inside. Slide the small release button on the fob and pull out the metal key. You'll find a keyhole on the driver's side door handle, often concealed. Insert the key and turn it to manually unlock the door, then pull the handle.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the go or just organizing your fridge. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Opening the door from the inside is straightforward. Simply pull the interior door handle towards you. If a rear door isn't opening from the inside, check the child's safety lock. This small lever, usually found on the door's edge when open, prevents accidental opening by children. Flip it to the unlocked position to restore interior handle function. In rare cases, a completely dead 12-volt battery might prevent your smart key system from working. Even then, the physical key will still allow you to manually unlock the driver's door. Once inside, you can access the hood release to jump-start the 12-volt battery. The trunk also has an emergency release lever inside for cargo access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.